Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a Skillshare account and access thousands of creative courses, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the Skillshare website. Click on the Sign Up or Start Free Trial button, prominently displayed on the homepage. Step 2. Choose your sign-up method. You can register using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Select your preferred option and provide the necessary information. Step 3. If signing up with email, enter your full name, email address, and create a strong password. Make sure your password is secure and unique. Step 4. Skillshare will offer you a free trial of their premium membership. Review the trial terms, including the trial duration, and when you'll be charged if you don't cancel before the trial ends. Step 5. Enter your payment information to start the free trial. You'll need to provide a valid credit card or PayPal account, even though you won't be charged during the trial period. Step 6. Complete the registration by clicking on the Start Free Trial button. You'll receive a confirmation email welcoming you to Skillshare. Step 7. After signing up, you'll be asked about your interests and learning goals. Select the categories that interest you most, such as graphic design, photography, business, or lifestyle. Step 8. Explore the Skillshare library and browse through thousands of classes. Use the search function or filter by category to find classes that match your interests. Step 9. Enroll in classes by clicking the Enroll button and start watching video lessons immediately. You can create projects, interact with the community, and track your learning progress. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.